With various attachment options like crevice tools and upholstery brushes, it's easier to reach every nook and cranny in your car. There are many products available to choose car vacuum kits, each with different characteristics, benefit and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best car vacuum kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Saker Mini 3-in-1 Keyboard Vacuum Cleaner Wireless Handheld. The Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner for Car is a powerful handheld device that is perfect for keeping your car or keyboard clean and free of dust and debris. With a brushless motor that delivers 12,000 PA of suction power, this vacuum cleaner is capable of quickly and easily picking up dirt and crumbs from any surface. Not only is this vacuum cleaner wireless and handheld, but it also comes with a Type charging cable, making it easy to charge and use wherever you go. With its compact size and lightweight design, the Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner for Car is the perfect tool for anyone who needs to keep their car or workspace clean and tidy. So why wait? Order yours today and experience the power and convenience of the Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner for Car. Number 2. Dressel Car Vacuum. The Dressel Car Vacuum is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a powerful and portable vacuum cleaner for their car. With its 8,000 PA suction power, this vacuum is able to easily pick up even the smallest particles of dirt and debris from your car's interior. The DC-12V high power and 16.4 Ft cord make it easy to reach even the most difficult areas of your car. In addition to its powerful suction, this vacuum also features a low noise level and LED light for added convenience. It's the perfect accessory for anyone looking to keep their car clean and tidy. Whether you're a busy professional on the go or a parent with kids who love to make a mess, the Dressel Car Vacuum is the perfect solution for all your car cleaning needs. Number 3. Varsk 4-in-1 15 Ft Cord Pink Portable Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Varsk 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect gift for any woman who takes pride in her car. This high-power vacuum cleaner is designed to keep your car looking and smelling fresh. With a pink handheld design, it's both stylish and practical. This portable tire inflator comes with a digital tire pressure gauge LCD display and light, making it easy to inflate your tires in any lighting conditions. The 12V DC power supply and 15 Ft cord make it easy to reach every corner of your vehicle. With its powerful suction and multiple attachments, the Varsk 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner is the ideal tool for cleaning every crevice of your car. Buy it now and experience a cleaner, fresher ride. Number 4. Varsk Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power. The Varsk Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power 4-in-1 Handheld Car Vacuum Portable Tire Inflator with LED light and digital tire pressure gauge LCD display is the perfect tool for any car owner. This powerful device is designed to quickly and effectively clean your car's interior, while also helping you maintain your tire's optimal pressure. With its 12V DC power supply and 15 Ft cord, you can easily reach every nook and cranny in your car. The LED light and digital tire pressure gauge LCD display make it easy to operate in low light conditions, and the portable tire inflator helps you maintain your tire pressure on the go. This product is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car looking and performing its best. Don't settle for less when you can have the best, the Varsk Car Vacuum Cleaner. Number 5. Astroe Car Vacuum Car Accessories. The Astroe Car Vacuum is the perfect solution for keeping your car clean and tidy. With a powerful 7500 PA 12V motor, this handheld vacuum can easily remove dirt, dust, and debris from your car's interior. The vacuum also features a long 16.4 Ft cord and an LED light, making it easy to clean even hard-to-reach areas. This car cleaning kit comes with 3 filters, ensuring that you always have a clean filter on hand for optimal performance. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an ideal choice for daily cleaning. Its compact size also makes it easy to store in your car trunk or garage. Choose the Astroe Car Vacuum for a hassle-free and efficient car cleaning experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.